The battery's dead. Yo, what's up, guys? What's up? Oh, I know it's been a long time, but let me tell you this. I got some tickets, I was paying them off. I got seasonal depression. It's winter, it's cold, the weather's been but today we're gonna break that. We're gonna go outside. I think the last time where we left off, the headlight was looking kind of weird. It wasn't aligned properly. The part that we pulled out, that little edge on the side, it didn't come out so good. So we're gonna do something fun today. We're gonna cut it off because we don't need it. We're gonna see how that looks, and if that helps the headlight get more aligned and make it look more flush with the fender and the bumper and the hood. But I have some good stuff planned for this. So yeah, without further ado, let's go and head on to the build. Yo guys, look at this. We got a gimbal set up now for all the Instagram reels, because I know yo guys been like going on Instagram and liking all my reels. So I invested in a small gimbal. It does the automatic face tracking, so if you guys want to look into it, it's like $160. It's pretty dope. And yeah, so you don't need a second person to shoot all your shots. So we're gonna definitely use this today. Now we're gonna move to the car. All right, so look at that. It's not aligned, and when you go out, you can see it kind of looks weird. Look at it on that side. It looks like the headlight's going down. Yeah, I'm using gloves, okay? It's cold. But it's all like pointed down and it's in. It doesn't look good, but look at that side. That's beautiful, you know? It looks like, you know, and I don't want it to look like that. So yeah, first I'm gonna pull out the bumper, take out the headlight, and see if we can cut it. I did get an angle grinder, so that's there. And we're gonna do some cutting. Guys, my car's pronouns a V6 GT. It identifies sometimes as a V6, but sometimes when it wants to, it's a GT. Alright guys, so this is what we're working with. This might be a little bit of a tough situation for me. So this is pushing on the headlight. Obviously it pushed in. Oh, thank you. Now the neighbor starts his car. So this is the part that's really pushing against the headlight. Here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking I can do a cut over here and over here, right? And then slowly just cut away at the pieces we need. Guys, it's so cold outside, so I keep having to come inside because just to get warm for a bit and then go outside and work. But whew, it's really cold. I looked on my phone. It seems like that brace is for the radiator, and there are clearly other stuff on that brace that is supporting the radiator, and I don't think there would be much. It's like a flange almost for the headlight. So what I'm gonna do is just cut it off and hope for the best, you know. I promised us that we would give our car a second chance, and not a third. So if we do have an impact on that side, it most likely will be a lot more damage than previously. Let's just drive safe from now on, yeah? Alright guys, so that's the angle grinder that I'm gonna use. It's a cheap Ryobi. I think I got it for like about 50 bucks, and then I got like a metal cutoff wheel, and that cost about $10. I'll put all the links in the description. It's cold. It's so brick. Yeah, I'm gonna start off cutting from here, cut that off, and then cut off that. We're gonna go a little piece by piece, a little at a time, and cut as little as we can, and then go back, put in the headlight, and see how good everything is. Okay, I did my first cut. We cut that piece off. It's over there. So that's the piece that we cut off. I'm gonna keep on going little by little and cut it more and more. I think I'm just gonna cut a little bit more down there. And I'm also gonna move the camera over there so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Alright guys, so we did it. We cut it. As you can see, that's where it was before. We got this whole thing. So I think the headlight can go nice and easy now. So we're gonna try it, and I'm gonna lay the bolt in and see how it fits. If you can see, I mounted the fender on. I don't know what was on with today, but it took a long time to mount that fender on. But if you can see, now we have it all nice and closed up. Everything looks aligned and it looks equal. So it just came out like, if you look from far, it looks on point now. Okay guys, now look at this. Now it looks amazing. Look at that, it's all lined up. It doesn't look like it's crooked faced anymore. Holy sh**. Just take a look at that. Alright guys, so I'm sorry man. Today was like not the best episode out there. I wish I could have like recorded everything, but it was just so cold, and I don't know what it is, but I couldn't stay up. What's up guys? Yeah, I know man, last episode was kind of and I felt bad for it too. I felt really bad. It was a shitty episode. It was cold outside and I really didn't like it. So I'm editing that video right now. But in the meantime, I thought I'll do something to add on to that video, because it's so we don't want to leave on a fucking bad note, right? We want to do this properly. So I got some new parts today. I'm going to show you. And the weather is beautiful outside. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to install it right now. It's a quick 5-minute install. So we got a new grill. Look how dope this is. And it's all metal. Alright guys, so in order to install this, there needs to be some modification. So as you can see, that's the new grill. Came with some included hardware, some self-tapping screws, and looks like some brackets for the screws. And I saw the instructions and I'm trying to walk you through it. So this is the car right now. It looks like we're gonna have to put two screws. We need to drill some pilot holes and put in 2 screws so it all lines up. So I went in, alright, so there's 4 places to stick this bad boy in. So what I did, I went in, I marked the spots. It sits right there, it's not sitting on anything right now, but I marked all the spots, and I'm gonna go in and drill some pilot holes, and hopefully I don't fuck it up. Great, the battery's dead. So I got I charged it up for 10 minutes. We only got 4 holes to drill, so let's see if we can get this in and done, and hopefully 10 minutes is enough. And I got a chair to sit on so I can actually just focus in and just do it. Alright, so here's the first one. 1 hole. 2. I just want just a little. 3. You're supposed to stop, so I should just tighten it up. Alright, so let's see how it goes. Alright. So I'm gonna do this in the drill. Okay, so let's see. Let's open it on there. Nice. Comes with this steering tabs, and I use this on the little clips slide bumper. Need to watch out for the these tools, and I get really like thing that's just have all the reality. Alright, so that's why you keep up. So flat side out for this. 1. Ooh, and now we go. Use the back okay. First out, single line, and then you hit the strike. That's 2. Alright. Then the last out of the way. Okay, hold that single. Alright, so okay. See, they line up properly. Okay. So this side lines up perfectly right now. I'm just gonna push these tabs up properly. Okay. Alright, let's check that again. You only got one chance, so it's better getting this done right the first time. Okay. Alright. That looks nice. So now, with the self-tapping screws, you see it's like a little, it's that. So we can go in and hopefully just screw. I don't. Then I'm gonna hand tighten it in. So for now, that's good. Get the other one. Put that bad boy in. Nice. That's in. I'm just gonna see that. And then over here, let's move up. Yeah, I'll show you guys. I'm gonna try and put a close up and see. One screw there. That's in. Ooh. Okay. We have to be careful when it grabs because it'll grab quick. And I just nicked it just a bit there, so. Alright guys, look at it now. Ooh. Doesn't that look sick? It's so clean. I had second thoughts about it, but look at it. It's stuck in there nicely. So we got this bad boy in. Now that's the way I need to say bye from now on, because we need to at least install one part. See, I set myself for failure. I keep on putting all these expectations, but I don't have the parts yet. But yo, this grill looks f***ing sick. It's so clean. It's so f***ing clean, and it's metal too. It's metal. And but yeah, guys, that's it for me now. Now it's a proper goodbye. All right. I know my hair's in a mess, but I was like, I got the part, and I felt so guilty for the last one. So at least we end off on a positive note. Remember, follow me on Reprise Rides on Instagram. I'm gonna have all the links to all the tools that we used on the last video, which is still gonna be on the same video, and I'm gonna put the grill and all that good stuff in the description. I love y'all. Thanks for the support. Thanks for everything, for y'all Instagram soldiers, man. I love you too. Yeah, I'll see you guys. Catch you guys later.